Hello students, welcome to SJC Institute. Today I am going to show you how to download your lecture videos and notes. Let's go step by step. Step 1. Go to your Gmail account. In the search bar, type care@sjc.co.in. You will find an email named as SJC Go Live Course Assigned. Open that mail. Step 3. In point number 4, you will find an option Google Drive link for classes and class notes. To open the class notes, the password will be mentioned in the same point. Next, click on the link. After that, a Google Drive link will be opened. You will get two folders, classes and ebooks. In ebooks folder, you will get the soft copies of the books that you have provided as hard copies also. So click on classes folder. You will get all the lectures topic wise. Now I am going to download a lecture of decision making. Open the folder decision making, relevant costing. So all the lectures are available. So relevant costing class 1. On the right side you will get a 3-dot option. Click on the 3-dot option and choose download. After that you will get a message, can't scan file for viruses. Don't worry, these files are completely safe and secured. Click on download anyway. The download is started. You can check the notification. So the download is complete. And that's it. You have now learned how to download the lectures from the Google Drive link. Thank you and happy learning.